Children, good morning all of you. Today for class 12, ISC, CBSE and West Bengal Board also. Derivatives of inverse trigonometric function, part 3. That means you have already got 2 lessons. You must go through that lesson. Now please pay your attention on the board. Sums given from Emil Agarwal's book, exercise 5.6 and 5.7, that is old book. Differentiate the following function with respect to x. This is the function, that is cot inverse cosec x plus cot x. Solution. Given this cot inverse cosec x plus cot x. Let y equal to this. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx. Cot inverse x, that is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. In place of x, here is given cosec x plus cot x. This is why cosec x plus cot x whole square. And this part again we have to differentiate, that is d by dx into cosec x plus cot x. Now we have to simplify and we have to differentiate this, that is cosec x. Differentiation of cosec x, that is minus cosec x cot x, and differentiation of cot x, that is minus, and this is also minus cosec square x. This is minus and this is also minus, and here also minus and minus, and here cosec x plus cot x whole square, that is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square by applying the formula. And now we are simplifying this, is that is plus minus, it will be minus, and 1 plus cot square, 1 plus cot square, that is cosec square x, and cosec square x, here is given cosec square x plus 2 cosec x plus cot x. Here in place of 1 plus cot square x, we have written cosec square x, because 1 plus cot square x equal to cosec square x, that you have learned at class 9, and it will remain as it is. Then we are taking common cosec square x plus cosec square x, that is 2 cosec square x, cosec square x, then it will remain as it is. Then we are taking common 2. After taking common and simplifying, what we are getting, these two terms, that is the cosec square x plus cosec x plus into cot x, and this both factors are same, so it will be cancelled, and finally it is coming up. Half is the answer. I think it is clear. If you feel difficulties, all the steps are given clearly. If you follow the step attentively, then easily you will understand. Next, if y equal to this, prove that this. Solution. Here y equal to this given, and differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx. Differentiation, that is sin inverse x by root over 1 minus cos square x, that is u by v. Ishan, u by v, that is v unchanged differentiation of u minus u unchanged differentiation of v divided by v square. By applying that formula, that is v unchanged differentiation of u, that is sin inverse x, minus u unchanged, that is sin inverse x, and differentiation of v, that is root over 1 minus x square, and v square, that is root over 1 minus x square whole square. I think here we have applied the method u by v only. Now we have to simplify and we have to differentiate also, that is sin inverse x, differentiation, that is 1 by root over 1 minus x square, here sin inverse x, and root over 1 minus x square. Several times you have seen this differentiation, so easily you will understand. It will be 1 minus x square whole to the power half, then half will come, then x to the power half minus 1, that is minus half, it will be root over 1 minus x square. And this part again we have to differentiate, that is d by dx into 1 minus x square, and root and square will be eliminated, then it will be 1 minus x square. dy by dx, here this and these two terms will be cancelled, then it will be 1, and this is sin inverse x, and this will remain as it is, and here this part we have to differentiate, that is differentiate of minus x square, that is minus 2x, These two and these two will be cancelled. Then we have to simplify what we are doing. 1 minus x square and dy by dx. By cross multiplication, 1 minus x square is coming here. So it will be 1 minus x square dy dx and 1. Here is 1 and this is minus and this is minus. Minus minus it will be plus. And x and sin inverse x root over 1 minus x square. After writing this, then we have to substitute sin x sin inverse x, that is x sin inverse x divided by root over 1 minus x square. This is equal to y. So in place of this we may write y, and here is x, so it will be 1 plus xy. Since it is written here, then by interposition we will reach the proof, that is xy, this is left hand side. After writing this 1 minus x square dy by dx, this is coming from right side to left side, so naturally it will be minus x square equal to 1. We are getting the expression what we have to prove, so it is proved. I think very simple if you follow the step. Here something space is less, this is why I have done in this way. I think it will not be so difficult to see. Okay, thank you everybody.